Hey everyone, let's talk about one of my favorite nail secrets, fiberglass gel. You've probably heard about fiberglass for nails before, right? It's super strong, but honestly, that's why fiberglass gel is such a game changer. Applying the fibers one by one can be so much work. It already has tiny fiberglass particles mixed right into the formula, so you get that same strength and durability without all the extra steps. It's perfect for repairing broken nails, giving them structure, and keeping them looking healthy and natural. Plus, it's flexible, so your nails feel comfortable, not stiff or heavy. So if you want strong, smooth nails with less effort, give fiberglass gel a try. It's easier, faster, and the results are just gorgeous. Okay, let's try the resistance test. First with a tip, after applying a layer on a form. Yes, very strong, the nail won't break easy. Other thing, this one have a nice smell, but there is a lot of brand around the world. Just search for fiberglass base gel. This one I got here on Japan.